So here we got our new realme Robo vacuum cleaner that we got a lot of information and we bought it. Here it is, the beautiful and I think handy, and with that we got some accessories. We'll be watching it in a while, but first let me unbox it. So it has a seal here, so we are opening it. Opening the seal from here. It's open. It says it has Robo Vacuum, color black, January 2021, and it's, I think origin is China though, but imported by Realme Tech India. So let's see. Here. So let me install the device and plug it with my Wi-Fi, and that's the charging dock. Hello? That's the charging dock that this machine will automatically charge itself. It is the charger. It looks all very beautiful and premium. Let me just show you how it looks. Okay. So here is the original one. Oh, look at that. It looks so beautiful. So it has this. This is for the vacuum. This one is for the vacuum, and you have to install it here. And it has this one for the mopping. This is for the mopping. So it can do both the things, vacuum and mopping both. So right now we are just using, and now we can just flip it, and you can see there are two rotors that for the cleaning purpose. It says right here. I just put it wrong. This one is left and right. Okay, I'm correct. This is for the right one. And where is the other one, Tapsi? These like small brooms, so you don't have to do the brooming. So it will just move the dust around. That's the one. These are beautiful tires it has, and that's for the suction. This device has to be paired with your Wi-Fi, home Wi-Fi. So like the appliance, we have to connect with the Realme app, Realme TechLife app. These two buttons, so we have to. Here we are trying to connect the device. That will take some time. So give me 2 minutes, let me pair the device and show you how it works. So this robot, we have kept the name Sakubhai. So now it's ready to, here we go. One, two, and here we start. Super technology. So it started already, Tapsi. If you hold the sofa, I'll just put it here. Nice.
So
now the mopping session is going on. So it can mop also There's a water tank behind there.
Don't resist, Dexter.
So
It is your destiny.
it was a very good experience, and I'm very happy with the vacuum and the mopping. So thank you for watching. So I'm very happy with the performance of this Realme techlife robot, and it does its vacuum and mopping very nicely. So I'm pretty satisfied. So thank you for watching this review and unboxing video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.